Hey guys, May 31st will be the day of Xiaomi's 8th anniversary, and the leading star of the event will be the flagship smartphone Xiaomi Mi 8. Even though Mi 6 is the latest flagship from the Mi series, the company has reportedly decided to skip the Mi 7 and launch the Mi 8 in order to celebrate its 8th anniversary with a dedicated device. Xiaomi Mi 8 will surely affect the sales of Mi Mix 2S, as it will be an outstanding flagship with the best technologies ever implemented on a phone by the Chinese high-tech giant. Note that the company has already confirmed the arrival of Mi 8 through an official teaser, so we are not talking about simple rumors. Besides being powerful, the Mi 8 is also expected to be innovative. According to rumors, it will feature an in-display fingerprint reader and a 3D facial recognition system, which will be similar to Apple's Face ID found in the iPhone X. Under the hood, Xiaomi Mi 8 will surely boost an octa-core Snapdragon 845 chipset by Qualcomm. Processor should be accompanied by up to 8 gigs of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. Xiaomi smartphones from the Mi series have always been compact devices, but the Mi 8 will not be, at least from what least suggested. It is expected to pack a 6.01-inch display with a Full HD Plus resolution, but there will be a bezel-less design so that the dimensions will not be excessive. Xiaomi Mi 8's listing price is expected to start from 2799 yuan in China, which roughly translates into $400 and €375. This price refers to the configuration with 6 gigs of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, while the one with 8 gigs of RAM and 120 GB of storage is rumored to cost 3199 yuan. So yeah, now let me know what you guys think about the Xiaomi Mi 8 and what the other things you guys expect from the May 31st event of Xiaomi. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed to saw this video, then please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.